So I've seen a number of videos that describe the mechanism or the technique for removing these cam locks from these knockdown furniture pieces, and it's really very simple. A lot of what I see is just a lot of baloney, more complicated than it needs to be. If you just understand how this thing works, it's a snap. First, take a look at the cam. I've removed one. See how it's configured. Okay, so what you want to do is basically, and here's one that's already in. I'll be removing this one. Is to just get a small screwdriver down into this hole, into the receiving hole where the cam screw goes in, and you want to just kind of apply some pressure in the direction of the opening here as you jiggle the mechanism itself. So imagine now I'm getting started. I'm going to put my screwdriver, little tiny screwdriver in here, and I'm going to catch that little lip that's in there. If you can't see it, then just give this a quarter turn until you get something to grab onto, and basically provide some pressure as if it's coming towards you as you jiggle the mechanism. You may have to make some adjustments, and then once you can see the flange, you can just grab it, maybe give it a little bit more pressure. There you go, and out it comes. It's as easy as that. That's all there is to it.